Brothers and sisters, good morning. A gate has broken in America during the night. We need a light for the children of Israel to keep walking and reach their destination. Law is the source of life. Twisting the laws of walking away from the law is destroying yourself without knowing. Who has not a mental disorder in this such pandemic and before climate change? We are going the wrong way, we don't know, and we don't want to know. We are living a system of blaming each other, accusing each other, untrust each other, as whether we think it is the truth. How could we get a fair election in such situation? The President of the United States was impeached. We acquitted him, and we think we do the right thing. Rather, it will be better off if he went home today, at the impeachment time than today. And proceeding in the path of civil war is a wrong message that we send to the world. When your battle is not over, our destination is far to reach, and our resistance is endless. Time is not for war. We lost trust on any side. We cannot get fair election. Long-time climate change tells us to stop. Rather, we don't believe in it. As whether we think believe and believe not is the truth. Climate change does not stop at not polluting the water, not cutting the trees. Climate change threatens everything, including the election system. The structural change is imperative. It took 2020 election to understand that we need a truth. Now, to put everything based on the truth, keep working. It can take 1 year, it can take 2 years. But we do not need fraud to have contested election. We need only one reason. And bad faith only can make fraudulent election become democratic or fair. I would like to hear one reason why some people deserve healthcare, some don't, to make healthcare for all a socialist plan. It doesn't have place, it don't have room in America. Capitalism has not made a better world to criticize socialism. Capitalism put us in front of climate change and denies it. Pharaoh's defeat is a symbol of global change in the world, not only in America. From the chaos, shine the light. We all must stop because we are expecting great success and abundance. And this breakthrough is synonym of creativity, joy, self-expression that carries tomorrow. It is time to stop, to go creating whatever you want, innovating whatever you want. And remember, everything is permissible, but everything does not build. It's imperative for church to come with the light, to create the healthcare for all, economy for all. We cannot talk about economy without having the right healthcare that can fit in climate change in the future. When healthcare is in crisis, economy is collapsed. If the healthcare is in agony by an uncontained virus, who will survive to think economy revival or of revolution? How the winner will survive if all the tree dies, all water dry or poison? Healthcare and economy are one and connected to our lives. We depend on it. Pharaoh hardened their ears to the words of God to hold the people of Israel in slavery. The sea has split in two parts to bury Pharaoh, armies, horses, and riders. And the people of Israel pass with dry food. Keep working. And one day you will never hear from him. Oh Lord, do you indeed decree what's right? Do you really judge people fairly? No, in your heart you devise wrongs. Your hands deal out violence on earth. The righteous will rejoice when they see vengeance done. They will bathe their feet in the blood of the wicked. People will say, search, there is a reward for the righteous. And surely there is a God. Psalm 58. Coronavirus is mixing in climate change and become global. You who stand for the truth, you will never die. You will receive the light, you will never lose. We need in the national plan of the pandemic General Colin Powell, Lieutenant Colonel Verman, Dr. Anthony Fauci to lead the task force. Now, the battle has just begun, and there is nothing America cannot do if we stay together. Thank you. God bless you all.